Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Tiny Bulb Extreme, and today we'll be looking on what's on my Windows Phone 7. So the first app we'll look on today will be Surfcube. Surfcube is a browser that presents the internet to you in the form of a cube. So here we're presented with a page, and if we go up, we can see the way how to use a phone. We have the joystick, which is right here. We have the phone flick, which we can flick side to side, and we have the edge grab. We have tabs, and we have the general information. So let's go back to the top. So if we want to add a new page, we just hold on to the joystick, then flick, oops. We could actually go to the next side and add a new tab. So we just click new. And then we can go back. So we can click here. And if we want to move the joystick again, we can just drag it, put it at the home screen right there, and just leave it right there. Click back. So if we want to enter a new URL for a page we want to go to, say for example we want to go to Google, just type google.com, enter, and when the page loads, it'll just come right back. What I like about this browser, you don't have any limits to the amount of tabs you can have. So you can have as much tabs as you want. And you can scroll, you can select the different tabs. And based on the way you use it, it's really good. And for the browsing options, we can have the bandwidth saver, search provider, we can have Google or Bing. We have the general settings for the cube, which you can enable the orientation lock, and also the other general settings, sharing, about, browsing, and we're back to the cube. So it's a really cool app. If you have a Windows Phone 7, it would be really nice to, it's a really nice app to try out. Okay? The next app we'll look on is a game which is called Next app we'll look on is a game which is called Chicks and Vixens. Basically, this game is the Windows Phone 7 version of Angry Birds. So we just hit play, and we can select the different levels which we have. I want to play in Paris, so I'll just select Paris, and we are presented with the different levels. So I'll click level 4, and as it loads, we can see like this nice toony animation. So it's pretty much like Angry Birds. We have the chickens, and we're supposed to use the chickens or the birds to kill the foxes or the vixens or whatever you call them. So here we have a nice zoom and pan animation, and we can zoom into where the birds are. So there's a cannon which we can use, and there are 4 different types of birds. This bird is what I like to call the speed bird. We launch him and then tap, and then he speeds up. And you have the orange birds, which are just the typical birds. And here we just kill 2 of the foxes. And here, bam, kill that one. And let's hope to kill that one. And this one lets out an egg. So I'll just launch him, then tap. See, I got him. So that's the way I play it. It's just like Angry Birds, but has a different twist to it. It doesn't really have a storyline. You're just supposed to kill the foxes. Alright, the last app I'll look into will be Pro Evolution Soccer. This is Pro Evolution for the Windows Phone 7. And this is my favorite game app so far. It's really cool, and I like using it. So here we can tap anywhere. And we can select the UEFA Champions League, achievements, and let's go back to the exhibition. And we can select the different ways in which we can control our players. We can just have the vertical joystick with one touch. We can have with the buttons, and we can have just the accelerometer. Let's use with the buttons. So we have the different teams we can select from Europe A, B, and the Americas. Let's go to Europe A. Let's select France. And let's go and play against Brazil from the Americas. And here we can select the different jerseys, either home or away. And we can select if you want to play in the day, random, or in the night. And we have the different levels. We have the top player, professional, regular, amateur, and beginner. Let's put it all the way up to top player. And we can play for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Let's keep it at 3 minutes. While it's loading, the next screen we're presented with, we can either start the match, substitute players, change the formation, and change the rules. So let's just start the match. And the loading screen is very clean and very nice. It says loading right here. Okay, so I'm the person that has the ball. So I use a joystick to go around. I use B to pass. And I can just go around like that. Can use A to score. Ooh, he stole the ball from me. Alright. So the general overview of this game is really cool. The feature I kind of like with this game is full 3D. And it runs very fast. I haven't had any lagging with the game so far. And it's really addictive. So here we can side tackle by double tapping A. We just got the ball a while ago. So let's pass it all the way up. Pass it down. Ooh, let's steal it back. See if we can score. We have a call coming in. I think this is the end of the episode. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you later.